যেমন নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর says, কর্মকাণ্ড জ্ঞানকাণ্ড সকলই বিষের ভাণ্ড. Karmakanda means if you act very piously, next life you get good birth, good opulence, money, janma isajja suta, good education, beautiful body. These are the resultant action of satkarma. And asatkarma means you become poor, ugly, without any education, no riches, always hungry. These are the results of asat karma. So this is called karma kanda. And jnana kanda means to try to merge into the existence of the Lord, which even if you do, but because you are under the impression of impersonalism, you again fall down. So both by the action of karmakanda and jnanakanda, one is not secure. Therefore Narottam Das Thakur says, sakali bisher bhanda. Poison either in a golden pot or in an iron pot. The effect is the same. So bhakti is neither for karmakanda nor for jnanakanda. Jnana karmad anavritam. That is real bhakti. Annavilasita sunnam jnana karmad anavritam anukullina krishnanushiranam bhakti uttama. Bhakti should not be contaminated by karma and jnana. Bhakti should remain pure, then the result will be very quick and nice.
In the Padma Purana, also the same process is described. There it is said that one should always remember Lord Vishnu. This is called jnana, or meditation, always remembering Krishna. It is said that one has to meditate with his mind fixed upon Vishnu. Padma Purana recommends that one always fix his mind on the form of Vishnu by meditation and not forget him at any moment. And this state of consciousness is called samadhi, or trance.
Yes. Satatang smartabha Vishnu. This is the injunction. One should always remember Vishnu, the form of Vishnu. That is possible only when you have enhanced a little in the path of loving Krishna and Vishnu. Premanjana charita bhakti vilochane. Santas sadaiva hridayeshu vilochane. So everything is possible provided we are serious. Then everything is possible. God. Otherwise why Rupa Goswami has taken so much trouble in the matter of giving us Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, quoting from so many innumerable shastras, Sadharma Pravatta, Nana Shastra Vicharanika Nipuno, Sadharma Pravattako. The Goswamis were so compassionate with the fallen human society that he, especially Rupa Goswami, all the Goswamis, they first of all search out all the datas of spiritual life and quoted them in each and every line. Sufficiently he quoted from Shastras. This is the business of sadhu. Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. They will act in the same way. There is no difference of opinion. Sadhu, Shastra, Guru, Bhakpat, Tinete Koriya Oikko. One has to see a sadhu by corroborating his statement according to the Shastras or another sadhu.
We should always try to mold the activities of our lives in such a way that we will constantly remember Vishnu or Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness.
Just like in the temple, here every business is in connection with Krishna. Otherwise, what is the difference between this house and the next door? There, Krishna is not there. And just in this door, everything is Krishna. That is the difference between ordinary house and temple. Ordinary house, they are also busy in purchasing things from the market, cooking them, and eating very nicely, sufficiently. But according to Shastra, They are eating all sins. Je pachanti atmakaranat bhunjanti te abhanga papam. In a temple, same business is going on. Same marketing, same cooking, same eating, everything is going on. But in relationship with Krishna, where this relationship is there always, Krishna, then every house becomes a temple. That is required. We are simply setting example that how we can execute our daily affairs in connection with Krishna. That is our propaganda. So every grihastha, every house, what is the difficulty? Everyone can install the deity, all the family members can gather together, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and read Shastras as we are doing in this temple. But the present tendency is that they have got sufficient time to smoke, they have got sufficient time for playing cards, they have sufficient time for drinking, going to the cinema, going to the sports, but they have no time for developing Krishna consciousness. This is the difficulty. As soon as you talk to them about Krishna consciousness, they will immediately say, "Sir, we have no time." And for other things, the paraphernalia of Kali Yuga, they have got enough time. They will read newspaper, all full of rascal news. One man has stolen, one man has kidnapped, one man has stabbed. These news he will very with great interest he will read. And as soon as we present Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, this is not good. This is the position. Therefore, there is a great necessity for pushing on this Krishna consciousness movement. That is the best welfare activity to the human society. All of them, they are rascals. Abodha jata. In the Shastra it is said, Parabhavastavad abodha jata. They are being defeated by the onslaught of material nature. These rascals, they do not know. They are thinking they have become great leaders, philanthropists, nationalists, politicians, scientists, philosophers, but they are killing themselves and others. Nati vidu sartha gatingi vishwan. They do not know how to make progress. Therefore, a person who has understood a little value of this Krishna consciousness, he should take this movement very seriously and distribute to the fallen souls. That is the best one. That is the best one. Alright, go on.
Whether one concentrates his mind on the four-handed form of Vishnu or on the form of two-handed Vishnu, it is the same. The Padma Purana recommends, somehow or other, always think of Vishnu without forgetting him under any circumstances. For when there is an order from a superior about doing something, there is simultaneously a prohibition. When the order is that one should always remember Krishna, the prohibition is that one should never forget him. Within this simple order and prohibition, all regulated principles are found completely. This regulated principle...
Yes, the regulated principles are meant for everyone, all varnas and ashrams. Not that I am now sannyasi, I have got the highest platform. Therefore, regulative principle is not meant for me. It is for the country. This is just like Jaggadana tapa kriya, not ajam. Jaggadana tapa, tapasya. Following the regulative principle means tapasya. So, I have renounced the world, become sannyasi, I have renounced the world. That doesn't mean I have renounced all these things. Jaggadana tapa kriya. No, these things are not to be renounced. Jaggadana tapa kriya, not ajam. They are not to be renounced. Jaggadana tapa kriya pavanani manishina. Even if you have become a great saintly person, still you should continue Jaggadana tapa kriya. This is the injunction of the Shastra. It should not be given up at any stage. Pavanani manishina. All right. Chant Hare Krishna.